Hey guys, welcome to vteachacademy.com, and here in this presentation we are going to discuss few examples on trigonometric identities. So in our previous videos we have already discussed about trigonometric identities and also proved whether they are true for all the theta values. And here in this video we are going to solve few examples by using such trigonometric identities. So here the given example is show that cot theta plus tan theta is equal to secant theta into cosecant theta. So in order to prove, let us first consider LHS side, that is cot theta plus tan theta. And now let us write the definitions of both the ratios. So here cot theta can be written as cos theta divided by sin theta plus tan theta, which can be written as sin theta divided by cos theta. And now let us write the LCM of both the ratios. So here the LCM will be sin theta into cos theta, and in the numerator we get cos squared theta plus sin squared theta, which is a trigonometric identity. So let us write the value of such identity as 1. So here we get 1 by sin theta into cos theta. And now let us simplify this. So we can write this in the form of 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. So here 1 by sin theta is nothing but cosecant theta. So we get here cosecant theta into the value of 1 by cos theta, which is nothing but secant theta. So hence we get values of RHS, that is cosecant theta into secant theta. So hence we can say that cot theta plus tan theta is equal to cosecant theta into secant theta. So hence we proved. And now let us move further and discuss one more example. So here the given example is, if the value of sin theta is equal to 15 by 17, then evaluate 15 cot theta plus 17 sin theta divided by 8 tan theta plus 16 secant theta for theta lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. So here we are given with the value of sin theta, which is 15 by 17. So now let us find the value of sin squared theta. So here we get sin squared theta is equal to square of 15, which is 225, divided by square of 17, which is 289. And now let us find the value of cos squared theta. So the value of cos squared theta can be found by the formula 1 minus sin squared theta. So let us write here 1 minus the value of sin squared theta, which is 225 divided by 289. And here by simplifying we get 289 minus 225 divided by 289. And here by subtracting we get 64 divided by 289 as the value of cos squared theta. So that implies we get here cos theta is equal to plus or minus 8 by 17, which is nothing but the square root of 64 and square root of 289. So here we are given with an information that theta lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. So hence we can say that cos theta is equal to 8 by 17. So now let us find the value of tan theta. So tan theta is nothing but sin theta divided by cos theta. So now let us divide the values of both sin theta and cos theta. So here we get 15 by 17 divided by the value of cos theta, which is 8 by 17. And here by simplifying we can cancel both the 17s one time. So that implies we get 15 by 8 as the value of tan theta. And now let us find the value of cot theta. So cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta. So the reciprocal of the value of tan theta is nothing but 8 by 15. And now we have to find the value of secant theta. So secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, and the reciprocal of the value of cos theta is nothing but 17 by 8, which is the value of secant theta. And now let us substitute all the values. So we get here 15 into the value of cot theta, which is 8 by 15, plus 17 into the value of sin, which is 15 by 17, divided by 8 tan theta, that is 8 into 15 by 8, plus 16 secant theta. So we get here 16 into the value of secant theta, which is 17 by 8, And now let us simplify this. So here by simplifying, here 15 one time is 15, and again 15 one time here is 15. And then 17 one time is 17, and again 17 one time is 17. And in the denominator we can cancel 8 one time is 8 and 8 one time is 8. And then here 8 one time is 8 and 8 two times is 16. So that implies we get 8 plus 15 in the numerator, and whereas in the denominator we get 15 plus 2 times of 17, which is 34. So we get 8 plus 15 divided by 15 plus 34. So that implies here by adding we get 23 divided by 15 plus 34, which is 49. So this is the result of 15 cot theta plus 17 sin theta divided by 8 tan theta plus 16 secant theta. So this was a basic introduction on how to solve such examples by using trigonometric identities. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to vdhacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.